So here we have a 6-piece kitchen knife set. This comes in a gift box. It's full tang natural wood handles. German stainless steel cutlery set. Includes an 8-inch chef's knife, 8-inch slicing knife, 8-inch bread knife, 8-inch bonging knife, 5-inch utility knife, and 3.5 paring knife. The blade is protected by covers, which makes it easy to store and carry and protect. These ultra sharp blades will meet all your needs in the kitchen. The beautiful wooden handles provide a nice feel in the hand and makes it very functional. As the knife gets bigger, the handles are thicker for more control and leverage. Maintain a perfect balance between sharpness and elasticity. Not to mention the comfortable hold, ergonomically handled design is practical and beautiful and lets you enjoy the joy of cooking again. Can easily fit in homes and in restaurants. If you're looking for a great gift idea for a new homeowner or someone who just likes to cook, then this is a great gift set. They stand behind their knives with 100% satisfaction guarantee. Customer ratings are in 4.5 stars, as in easy to hold, ergonomic, value, and comfort. The blade features polished Sheath blade, German stainless steel, full tang structure handle, natural range hood handle, handle inlay with rivets that makes it firm and gives it a beautiful look. I personally like the fact that they come with individual protection covers. This way, if you have to store them in a drawer with other utensils, they don't bounce around, scratch or damage the blades, especially the cutting edge. And when you store them, it's safe to pick them up until you release them from the protection. Now be aware that do not use these knives to cut bones or frozen meat to prolong their use and effectiveness. Also, the wooden handle knife is not dishwasher safe, so hand wash is highly recommended. So this is a no-brainer and should be part of your kitchen.